Hi, my name is Doug Brenneman. I'm an industrial arts teacher at Laramie Middle School. I teach Intro to Industrial Arts 1, and Woodworking. I will be, this video will be discussing the woodworking class, an overview. The overview we're going to be doing is we will be building hands-on projects and using a design and fabrication to build those projects and in a timely and a safe manner. Some of the projects that we'll be doing is a stool, a pen or a pencil, and a clock, a desk clock that they designed themselves. We will be getting into using AutoCAD and stuff like that to design this, the designs that we put on our clocks and on our stools. Really excited about working with your students this year. If you need to get in contact with us, just you can get it on the website, on Schoology, on Canvas. All our information is on there. Make sure you follow your students on Canvas and so you can see what's going on. So thank you and have a nice evening, and